Namaskar dear children. Today we are going to study a new topic, that is Rapat Tayyar Kare. It is given in your textbook, page number 88. We have to give one information to students that we are going to celebrate the Republic Day in our school. So, how to write a report or how to write a notice, that I will show in the on the board. See the question first. I will read the question. सूचना के आधार पर रपट तैयार करें. As I told in page number 88. मान ले आपके स्कूल में गणतंत्र दिवस बड़े धूमधाम के साथ मनाया जा रहा है. इसकी सूचना देने के लिए एक रपट तैयार करें. ओके, सो फर्स्ट what we have to do, we have to write the question. गणतंत्र दिवस की सूचना देते हुए एक रपट तैयार कीजिए. This is the question. गणतंत्र दिवस की सूचना देते हुए एक रपट तैयार कीजिए. For this, first what we have to do, we have to write the heading सूचना, means information. सूचना. After that, गणतंत्र, in the middle, okay, in the middle you have to write this गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह, celebration. After that, date, दिनांक. After writing this, you have to write दिनांक, and here you can write time, समय. दिनांक. When you are giving this information, at that time you have to, and that day's date you have to put, okay, and after that you have to draw a rectangular shape box. In the middle you have to write सूचना. The middle you have to write सूचना. After that, what सूचना we are giving to the students, that is गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह. Date, little, see, we have to start from the left hand side. दिनांक. Right hand side, time. Okay, after that we have to write the content, that is आपको यह सूचित किया जाता है, सूचित किया जाता है कि आपको यह सूचित किया जाता है कि 26 जनवरी 26 जनवरी 2021 को विद्यालय में गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह आयोजित किया जा रहा है, आयोजित किया जा रहा है। निवेदन है कि सभी छात्र परिवार सहित इस समारोह में भाग ले। Sorry children, in between one line I missed to write. आयोजित किया जा रहा है, इसमें कई कार्यक्रम होंगे, इसमें कई कार्यक्रम होंगे, इसमें कई कार्यक्रम होंगे। See children, this you have to write back side of the notebook, okay? That I forgot to tell. This you write at the back side of your notebook, okay? इसमें कई कार्यक्रम होंगे, जैसे देशभक्ति गीत, नाटक, काव्यालापन आदि। आदि। जो भी इसमें भाग लेना चाहते हैं, जो छात्र इसमें भाग लेना चाहते हैं, जो छात्र इसमें भाग लेना चाहते हैं वे अपना नाम वे अपना नाम वे अपना नाम वे अपना नाम हेड बॉय को दें। हेड बॉय को दें। निवेदन है कि सभी छात्र बाकी I will write here. निवेदन है कि बाकी सभी छात्र परिवार सहित इस समारोह में भाग ले। This is the content. What we wrote, this is the content. See children, you have to write, you have to continue this. Okay, I don't have space here. That is why I am writing on the top. परिवार सहित इस समारोह में भाग ले. And in the left hand side you have to write head boy नाम. Head boy नाम. Like this you have to finish the report. So children, now you understood how to write a report. First you have to write Suchna, that is notice, and you are going to put this notice in the notice board. Okay. And the topic is Ganatantra Divas Samaroh. After that, you have to write left hand side date, right hand side time. After that, you have to start the content. Okay. आपको यह सूचित किया जाता है कि 25 जनवरी 2021 को विद्यालय में गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह आयोजित किया जा रहा है. इसमें कई कार्यक्रम होंगे, जैसे देशभक्ति गीत, नाटक, काव्यालापन आदि. जो छात्र इसमें भाग लेना चाहते हैं वे अपना नाम हेड बॉय को दे. निवेदन है कि सभी छात्र, that I forgot to write, सभी छात्र परिवार सहित इस समारोह में भाग ले. हेड बॉय नाम. सूचना नोटिस, गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह, रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेशन, दिनांक डेट। आपको ये सूचित किया जाता है कि 26 जनवरी 2021 को विद्यालय में गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह आयोजित किया जा रहा है। As we are going to inform you that we are celebrating 26 January in our school. So, इसमें कई कार्यक्रम होंगे. In this, we have many programs like देशभक्ति गीत means patriotic song, नाटक, play, काव्यालापन, poem, that is recitation, etc. जो छात्र इसमें भाग लेना चाहते हैं वे अपना नाम हेड बॉय को दे. The student who is willing to join or participate in this program should give their names to the head boy. निवेदन है कि सभी छात्र परिवार सहित इस समारोह में भाग ले. See, we are requesting that all the students should come with their parents for this celebration. Head boy name, and head boy is giving this report. Okay, so we after writing this we post in the notice board. From there all students can read like that. That is called notice. Okay children, से थोड़ा मुश्किल है. If you have any doubt you can clear it in the interaction. Okay children, so write down this. But only thing is you should know how to write a notice. First you have to write the heading notice, then the subject should be written here, after that date, then time, then the content, then complimentary clause. Same as letter, but letter format is different, this is different. Okay, this is Suchna, this is called notice. In the notice we are giving a report about Ganatantra Divas, that is Republic Day celebration. Okay children, Deshabhakti Geet means patriotic song, Natak, play, Kavyalapan, recitation. Recitation in 3 languages, that is Hindi, English and Sanskrit. जो छात्र इसमें भाग लेना चाहते हैं, भाग लेना means to participate. They have to given their name to the head boy of the school. Nivedan means request. परिवार सहित means with your family इस समारोह में भाग ले. भाग लेना again to participate. समारोह celebration. In this way the box should be made as, the shape should be as a rectangular box. Okay children, and as I told, date means when we are writing this notice report, at that time what day was that day's date you have to put here, and also time when you are writing this report, that time should be mentioned here. Now I wrote only 3 cross, but you have to write the date and time. Okay, after that complimentary clause, this notice is given by head boy of the school, so that also you should know. Means who are giving this notice, that person's name should be written here. Okay children, if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, Thank you. Namaskar.